Hello, I am Mrs. Bope. I am the Spanish teacher for the high school here at North White. First of all, I would like to welcome all the students, and I would like to say that I'm so happy that we are coming back. I have been a teacher for 11 years. This is my third year here at North White, and I still love being a teacher. Actually, I would like to show you this sign. I got it just this week when I was on vacation, and they had it in a small store, and they customized it for me. I'm gonna put it a little closer, and I'll tell you what it says. It says, Mrs. Bope's classroom. To teach is to touch lives forever. I feel that way, that to teach is to touch lives forever. Now, I would like to show you my classroom so you can have an idea of where your student is gonna spend close to an hour of her or his time. So you can see the windows that are closed right now. Okay, hopefully you had an idea of our classroom. Okay, now why to learn Spanish? Why not French? Why not German? Well, I'm happy that the corporation has decided that Spanish is a good language to teach. Okay, I would like to share that Spanish is the most popular second language learned by native speakers of American English. There are more than 450 million native speakers of Spanish, and it is second to Chinese in terms of the most spoken language in the world. And English is right behind Spanish with about 360 million native speakers. Now, my goal for my classroom is to teach how to speak, understand, read, and write in Spanish. And yeah, for students, the easiest part is to learn how to write and read, but the most challenging and what I want them to really do is to learn how to understand and how to speak. How do we do that? Well, I use technology. That's why one of the requirements that I'm going to tell you is they need to bring their Chromebooks every day. And so we use technology, and we use textbooks. This is the curriculum that we use here, Avancemos, and is one of the favorite curriculums for Spanish teachers here in Indiana. I don't substitute my teaching for technology. That means we are not with the Chromebook all hour. We use it maybe 10 minutes. We use a website that is called Quizlet, where the students can see a picture of the word that we are learning, mainly for vocabulary, and they listen, they repeat, they see the pictures, and we play games also with that website. Is called Quizlet Live, and if you ask your student if he or she already had Spanish, they know what we are talking about. Now, expectations for my classroom. Be on time with all the required materials. What do I require? What are the things that we require? The Chromebooks, notebook, and a folder or binder and paper. Because they still have to take notes, they copy the vocabulary, so paper is required. I want them to have everything in order, so at the end of the semester when they have to study for the final, they have everything there. Of course, pencil or pen. Another thing, dry erase markers. Because I would like them to have their own dry erase markers, we use the whiteboards, small whiteboards, and now I would prefer if they have their own, so we don't have to be sharing. Index cards on hand, if they can have please like 300 index cards in the beginning of the school year, because we're going to be using them. Another expectation is do not talk while I'm talking, raise your hand before speaking. Treat others with respect. We don't allow the students to call names to each other or say the expression shut up or dumb or you are a stupid or not anything like that. We don't allow that here. Cell phone should be put away during the class, and of course follow all the rules of our handbook. In the beginning of the school year, you will receive a paper like this. where what I told you plus other things like the grading, how do we grading here that I don't want to take the time to tell you now. And the student is gonna sign it and put the date, and you can look at it too and sign it as well. Thank you very much. If you have any questions, you can contact me here at the school, and thank you very much.